The movement of the spine involves flexion, which looks like a rounded posture, and extension, which creates an arch in the spine. The spine can also rotate, which happens mostly from your mid-back. The lower part of your spine and pelvis can go into an anterior pelvic tilt, also known as a forward tilt, or posterior pelvic tilt, known as a backward tilt. To begin your cars, get on all fours and begin moving through flexion and extension of the spine. In yoga, this is known as a cat-camel or cat-cow position. Do a couple of these to warm up. Then take a breath as you irradiate, and from your extended position, you want to segment each column of the spine independently starting from the hip. Begin to move into a posterior pelvic tilt and do your best to move only that part of the spine. Then begin to flex from your lower back, then your mid back and upper back, and then finally flex your neck, bringing your chin in. Now reverse that motion, again starting from the pelvis, this time going into an anterior pelvic tilt, then extending through your lower back, then extending through your mid back and your upper back, and then finally moving into neck extension, looking forward. Do 2 to 3 rounds of this with control and make sure that you're working in a pain-free zone.